If you have the ability to buy the whole world for your wife every Valentine's Day every year and shake South Africa, even fill up FNB Stadium with just the two of you and Zonke and the backup singers, surely you can pay the municipality bills. Surely. This is not the syllabus in Jemtaka all that time. It's really not. And then when you did Bantu education of Ngonde Balfo, don't do that. Mm-mm. Amukela kunkqubo yami bomntu abakadadi bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-anti bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, sorry, kamukhala titi bo de. How guys? Sana. I feel like Sitati Litipa is currently the glue of social media friendships right now. Okay? She is mixing TikTok and YouTubers together like this. And I love it for us because Sana. You remember when we had the sexy wives? Bompumili Dwaba, Libo Y'alls, Libo Ntaseng, Libo Lebu. It was like that whole group. And then slowly but surely they started falling apart and disintegrating. And then now I feel like we have not that I can't say the Real Housewives of YouTube because some of them are not married, but I love what is happening with like the holding together of social media friendships. And Sitati Litipa is always like in the center because she's good with Abo Gugu. And then now they were hosting a Friends Month, Slibo, Grace Montana, Miss K, Oh Small Stuff, Bali, Tia, and her. It was a beautiful burgundy Friendsmas. We are in the era of Friendsmas. So it's also nice to have like friendship content. Let us just hope and pray that nothing happens and nothing falls apart and nothing is salacious and scandalous. But soon we are so, can I officially say, we are tired of investing in your guys' friendships and then your guys' friendships fall apart and then say Salanat. And then when we ask to know what happened, you guys are like, nah, 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 no, we would like some privacy. Drunk? Get data yabo mangi Wi-Fi yabo mang because when we were like, oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, you guys, don't invite us if you want formally disinvite us. Yeah. And the guys also, can you guys stop doing get ready with me? Because your get ready with me, you are naked from top to bottom. Is it Emmanuel or are we getting dressed? Which one are we doing? Yeah? No, I'm so glad that I'm not the only one that shares the sentiments.
Sana ndiyazoyika i-get ready with me zenu. Bena can't get ready without us at this point because woku nize niyambaze get nize like girls and boys. No. Suqale epeyintini sana. Ngoku iyaya kwipenti line mntasekhaya nizasibethela ngemitya ngoku. Nizawunxiba imitya nithi get ready with me. Ni get ready with us in the shower ngoku. Betuna, no. Let's not get ready with each other. Let's not get ready with each other, please. Boundaries. No. Know when to stop. Okay? Call.
Sana, if you're going to be naked, let's not like Hanisa said, let's not get ready at all. In fact, do it without us. Because why? Why you moon? No, why you moon? No. People are gonna be like, you're so judgmental. I'm sorry, I'm not judgmental. It's just my opinion. You can get ready with us without being naked with us. Angas or but yes, we understand. No, yes, we ngizwa. Nyakuzwa simbiwe, nyakuzwa. How, Tammy. Before we talk about Utami, are you looking to make extra cash? Well, I have got you covered because did you know that you can be a host on Airbnb without having property or furniture? Yes, you can. Forget about making money on Forex or traveling to foreign countries, trying to get that extra chain in your pocket. Googs Holdings has got you covered. They even have a booklet and steps to take you on how you can start making that coin on hosting without the extra headaches. Yeah, there is all the details in the description box down below. Fill in this Google form for more information. Don't say that I don't like you. Now, Lerato Kganyago's husband has been in hot water for some time now. If his name is not coming up in certain commissions, his career is being questioned. And I'm starting to sense like this man works at wax. Huh? He has a business partners and not colleagues. He does not report to anyone. I mean, this man has his name on buildings, but you can't have your name on buildings if you can't pay for the utilities. He is now currently in hot water because you remember the Tammy Mall that he named after himself. Dr. Nasipi, mayor of Pretoria, has cut off the water and electricity. Yes, to the hotel and apartments of the very said mall. Because why? They haven't been paying their municipal bills and they owe about 600,000 rands. Nithini makunje? No, nithini makuso? No, because ganjani? No, because why? Eh? This person that was booking out the whole of FNB Stadium, this person that makes us want to pack our bags and move to Jupiter or Mars every Valentine's because we are not sure of the date he's going to purchase the whole South Africa for Lerato. How is your mall new and you're ready owing 600,000 rand? Not even one bill was paid? Yini, doctor?
I'm sorry to
Management.
Yeah, sorry. I wanted to go to the toilet. I'm so sorry. Shem, please continue. Oh.
Have you ever given birth to yourself and watch yourself grow in a smaller version of you? Do you know how scary that is? Like, it literally is a knee jerk reaction because I didn't know this was going to be the color of tomorrow. And now that the color of tomorrow is growing right in front of my eyes, I'm just. Guys, uDr. Minuyangithusa. uDr. Uyangithusa and uDr. Uyakhula and uDr. Ukhula too fast for my liking. Just yesterday, we were fighting over nails. She wanted to get nails. And then I agreed on kitty nails. We get to the nail place. Do you know this child is talking about length and bows? And so I said, cut the cameras, cut the plug. It's either we do it my way or we don't do it at all. You know what she said to me? Kungcono siyeke mama ngoba kuzofana ngathi angiwafakanga amazipho. Help me. Help myself. Help me.